So all you need for this painting is, I have burnt umber, and I have cad red, and I have cad yellow, and I have titanium white, and then we have a flat synthetic brush, chiseled edge, and I have a flat a Filbert brush, which is chiseled edge and synthetic, and I also have a liner brush, and a long one and a short one. You need a couple of different brushes just in case some don't work out for you, so it's nice to have a few extra brushes around. And that's about it for the brushes. When we come up with something else, I'll guide you along. Okay, I'm going to put a little bit of red and blue together and some white. I'm going to make a purple sky. Yeah, why not? Oh yeah, that blends beautifully. I can't get over the difference. That liquid gel really makes a difference. Yeah. Very nice. Nice purple sky. Some white on your brush. Throw in some streaks of white there. Just to blend it in, make it nice. See how nice it blends though? Pretty. A little bit of shadows here and there. Contrast really makes a big difference. See how nice it makes it when you add contrast, like darks on the against the lights. Isn't that pretty? And because it's blending so well, you can just take your brush and move it around a little bit, just very lightly. And you don't have to push very hard either. It blends so beautiful. Look. Gorgeous. I'm going to take my bristle brush. Whenever I want to tap, especially foliage and stuff, I like to use my bristle brush. Or that sponge if you want to use that, but I find my bristle is nicer to me. So I'm just going to take some red. Take some red and some yellow. Kind of an orangey color. Where are you? There you are. Okay, and we will just tap that on here. That's pretty, isn't it? Nice and bright. Just tap it on. Tap, 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 tap. Probably a couple little orange trees go up here or something. The trees go in the background there. More paint. Because the magic white is on there. Like, look how bright the colors are though. Look. Are they gorgeous? It's really beautiful. Taking a good while for it to dry, but it's only taken me a couple minutes to do the paintings because I'm not doing anything too elaborate. And it's blending so well that don't take no time at all. Oh, it's nice reds. It's pretty, isn't it? Take a little bit of let me see. little bit of burnt umber. A little bit of burnt umber. Just to darken up that down there a little bit. Because we don't want it to have to be all just real bright. Because it's still wet, that will blend in and it'll give a dark color, but it won't be like black or anything, and it won't cover up everything I got there. Nice, see? And what we're going to do now is take a liner brush. Make a few, bit of grass. Just go through your greens. Bit of green, bit of blue, bit of red. I love mixing colors. It's just nice to have them. And I'm going to put the green, I'm going to put some white on it besides to help it bring it out a bit more. I'm just going to bring up some grass. Okay, so it should be greener than that. So we get some green going on there. There we go. That's better. Because of the magic white, it just lets you keep working with it for a long while before you're having to go pick up more paint. So I just picked up some more then. To the left, to the left, to the right, to the right, straight up. Okay, so you want them too straight, you know what I mean? Just long pieces of grass. When you get that done, then you can add some white on the top of your brush. And just put some little white dabs as if there was some white flowers going on there. Like I said, I just want to get this, I don't want to take up too much time. We can work on this for an hour and it'll still be wet. So that's all you need to do. I just want to darken up a little bit on the sides there so that it won't look so red and it doesn't have any extra colors there. So I'm just adding a little bit of shadow there, that's all. See, and that gives a little more definition. Maybe a little bit of, not sure. A little bit of darkness in those trees there on the bottoms here so we can bring them out a little bit more. Give them kind of shadows and stuff, just so that it looks like, you know, you see them better. It doesn't look like a big blob of red. Good. See how those little shadows, and that makes a difference? Like I said, think of contrast. That's better, isn't it? That's better, that's pretty. Okay.